Hola niños. If you are watching this video, that means that I'm not in the building. I miss you a lot. So we still need to move forward in learning Spanish. If you remember, in the first quarter, we worked with the defined articles, which are el and la in the singular, masculino and femenino, and then los and las, okay? These four words mean the. As when you say la manzana or las manzanas, translated to English as the apple or the apples. We also learned un, una, unos, and unas. As when you say una manzana, an apple, or unas manzanas, some apples. Today we are also working with the verb ir, which means to go, and also the preposition. This is probably the most important thing that you need to focus on. The preposition a. A means to, as if when you say, yo voy a la escuela, I go to the school, right? Well, here's another very important thing that I hope you remember, and if not, we are reviewing it at this moment. When we find the combination in this setting, the preposition a plus the article el, it should be turned into al. Otherwise, the sentence will be incorrect. Let's take a look at this example. Roberto va a el hospital. Notice the underlined words, a plus el. Well, a and el. In this form, this particular sentence is incorrect. In order to correct it, we will say a plus el. We turned it into a different word, which is al. It only works with a masculine article el, not with la or not another instance. Okay, so now today we're going to work with another irregular verb, and this verb is to go. En español es ir. And you students are really good at setting up how to conjugate a verb. You know that on the left side you will have your singular pronouns, and on the left side you will have the plural pronouns. Once you have that, then we're going to start conjugating. Remember, we are working with the verb ir. That's the name in the infinitive, okay? Means to go, okay? Now, yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted va, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, ellos, ellas, ustedes van. Okay, now, since I'm not there with you, I'm going to try to help you. We're going to start forming sentences, complete sentences. You know that I don't go for one word answered. Therefore, we need to learn how to speak in full sentences as well as writing. So this is an assignment of writing 10 sentences with a verb, using the verb to go. But also we are adding places in the community, I believe. But if you're not certain, if you don't remember, I know that we worked on la escuela, el restaurante, la iglesia, el museo, el hospital, etc., etc. Okay? So, keep in mind that when you have this combination again, a plus el, turn it into al. Okay? Let's begin. ¿A dónde va Miguel? Where is Miguel going? Miguel va al cine. Notice that el cine means the movie theater, remember? Okay, when you put it alone, then you write, you have el cine, right? It is using the masculine singular article el. Now, because we are using the preposition a, which means to, okay, then we will have to make this change, okay? A plus el, turning it into al. Therefore, Miguel va al cine. So your proper answer would be Miguel va al cine, period. Okay? Now, let's look at the next example. ¿A dónde va mamá? Where is mom going to? Mamá va a el supermercado. Here we have it again. This word is in the masculine, therefore it's going to use the masculine singular article, which is el. But because we need the preposition as well, we have a plus el. Subsequently, we are going to use for these two words, we make it into one, and now it says al. Okay? ¿A dónde va mamá? Mamá va al supermercado. Mom goes to the supermarket. Are you with me? Okay. Now let's go and work it out with the feminine article in the singular. ¿A dónde va el niño? El niño va a, here's your preposition. Here goes your article, la tienda. Let's read it again. ¿A dónde va el niño? El niño va a la tienda. There was no change here because in this instance, we are working with a singular and feminine article, okay? And we are using the preposition a, which means to. Now, I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna give you a couple, maybe 5 sentences for you to work on, okay? So I'm gonna leave this one, I'm gonna post it for you on Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, I'm gonna be, I'm trying to keep up with emails and such. Or if you need me to explain it again, I can do that gladly. I'm sorry that I'm not there with you. So I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna post this portion of what we have done so far.